Deep in the South African interior lies a dramatic landscape, strewn with the secrets of our past. For almost a century, scientists have been probing the depths of these caves for clues to the genesis of our species. Called the Cradle of Humankind, this National Heritage Site was declared a World Heritage Site in 1999. A land dotted with springs, streaked with rivulets, and pocked with caves, the Western Highveld of Gauteng is a region unlike any other. Temperatures here range from freezing cold to scorching hot, and the broiling clouds of thunderstorms are a frequent sight in the summer months. The flora here is well adapted to extremes. As a fire climax grassland, these plant species rely on regular burnings, which are an integral part of their life cycle. The land is home to many species of wildlife. The rocky outcrops and shady sinkholes are haunts for animals large and small. For millions of years they have lived and died here, their bodies sinking back into the earth. But for some, their final resting place has been immortalized. The dolomitic limestone caves of the region are a perfect environment for organic matter to fossilize. Millions of years ago, our ancient hominin ancestors also walked these lands, and some of their dead lay in its caves, their fragmentary remains preserved through the ages. Here, 15 particular sites of paleontological significance have produced a wealth of fossilized material. Now, what scientists are discovering is adding new chapters to the human story. The fossilized flora and fauna found in most of the caves shed light on the world of these early hominins. The remains of certain species, like rodents, can tell scientists a lot about the environment in which they lived. And the finding of hominin fossils and other animals in the same archaeological context provides important insights into what life was like for our pre-human ancestors. Taung and Sterkfontein have yielded the remains of some of the oldest hominins, the famous Mrs. Ples and the Taung child, both examples of the species Australopithecus africanus. Additional to these are the two near-complete skeletons of the Australopithecines. Remains of the Australopithecus sediba and Australopithecus prometheus, commonly called Littlefoot, have survived because of the cave system deposits they were buried in. Littlefoot is the most complete hominin discovered to date. Fossils of Paranthropus robustus have been discovered at Cooper's Cave, Kromdraai, and Swartkrans. The specimen from the latter was found in 1938 by a schoolboy. Swartkrans also yielded Homo ergaster and shows evidence of the use of controlled fire. The Rising Star cave system in the complex is the discovery site for Homo naledi, an extinct branch of our genus whose name means star. This is our archaic human, believed to have intentionally disposed of its dead. Clues sown into the earth for millions of years in this veritable cradle of humankind are gradually revealing the mysteries of our human origins.